It covers the sky of vividness. It buries the emotions. The rain, when it comes, brings the mindful satisfactions. The layers of dust in the leaves, the layers of fear in the people, it wipes them out, bringing the tranquility in the space and the path of thoughts. The rain, it pauses the life. Suddenly, murmuring of the birds stop. The hotness of the wind cools down. The visual conception of slow motion is perceived by the mind and eyes. The scorching sun hides away, bringing the coolness not only to the earth but also to the heart of cruel world. The rain, it heals the life.